In today's free online tutorial, I will be showing you the best iPhone app for recording audio completely for free. Let's get right into it. This is the test for the iPhone app video. Step number 1 is to drag the audio piece that you want to use onto the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. And this is what this sounds like.
This is the test for the iPhone app video.
Now, in order to get this piece of audio that you want to go under to Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and search up right here, Voice Record Pro in the search bar. This currently works for iPhone applications, but you can also search this up if you have an Android device. And it has a 4.7 rating out of 5 stars, and I've been using this for well over 5 years. Once downloaded and loaded, click the application, wait for it to load. Under the recording settings right here, you will have different or multiple options. These 3 options will dictate if the file size is larger, smaller, and or whether the audio quality sounds good, better, or best. You choose. In this case, I'm going to go with this option right here. Record your audio track, click complete, rename the file by dragging below and then typing in whatever you want right here. And then a bonus tip is to transfer this onto your computer or PC without any cords or cables using the Wi-Fi option. Click this icon, type in the numbers that you see here on the screen or on your screen into the Google URL, click enter, and then locate the video file and then click download. And once you have your audio file piece, go under to effects and type in bass, type treble, and hard limiter. And once all of these 3 audio presets have been dragged on your audio piece, click effects controls, make the bass 5 decibels, treble 10 decibels, and under hard limiter, click edit, and move the first slider until the right until it says -5. And this is the before. This is the test for the iPhone app video. Enhance my voice while. And this is the after. This is the test for the iPhone app video. Enhance my voice while recording. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.